Hello everybody, welcome back. It's time for some 509th flying again using target for today. Start out with Diamond Lil. Got a little runny nose. I think my sneezing's over, but that always leaves me a little runny, so bear with me. We're going after some ships at sea, and if we can't catch them there, we'll catch them in the harbor, or hopefully we'll. My last time with this did not work very well. There are special rules for the 509th for ship bombing. We have to find them. Then we have to find them again. Actually, I think we do navigation checks every zone. Then once we get there, we got to find them and we subtract for um, the off. And then once we get there, we got to see what we identify. So I got to read up on them. It's been a little bit since we've done this. It is on their web page. So I'm going to get that down right now. And I'm buying time because I'm scrolling up. I know it's in here. There we go. Every time we do these, they post this up, and it's a good thing because I forget. We use A1 to replicate navigator's calculations to plot a course. 2 to 6, add modifiers to apply, and check their modified results to the chart. Um, so at the end of each zone, we'll see if we're on or off course. Kind of like target for today, or tonight rather. And then once we're there, then we get to try to find them. And we got 2 rounds this time to find them. And on A2, and then we automatically find them in turn 3 if we go to the harbor. But if we hit the harbor, then we got to face heavy and medium flak. So it's going to be fun. Anyway, so enough of that. We'll stumble through that when we get out there. And let's whip out some charts, get Diamond Lil on the runway, and let's get out there and back. All right, so let's take off. Got my charts over here. I'm confusing myself. And the weather over base is good for takeoff. We roll up, die 10, 10. We take off okay, and we are over zone 2. All right, zone 2, we are over the med. We have 50% cloud cover. There is no mission recall. We'll roll for mechanical failure. We have none. Might help if I get that chart up. There we go. We will not have contrails. We are in formation. We are below 10,000 feet and we will stay there. The only time we have to worry about flak because we're over the med is when we're over enemy territory, which is zone 5. So we don't have to worry about heat. We don't have to worry about oxygen. There's no German Air Force resistance level in this zone, so we're going to put zeros. Oh boy. Sorry. Fare escort is wasted. And we will put our bombing navigation rolls down in our special here. So let's roll 2d6, 7. We got 50% cloud cover, goes down to 6. That phase doesn't matter. The weather is not clear. Navigator is 14 missions. So he gets a +1. That gets us to 7 again. And no, 7 again. So we're off course. It's going to make it harder and harder. Okay. Well, so be it. On to Zone 3. Zone 3, we have 50% cloud cover again. We are over the mid with an asterisk, which means if we do meet fighters, we subtract 1 out of each wave, because we're pretty far out in the mid now. 50% cloud cover, no mission recall. Mechanical failure is none. No contrails. We're in formation. We're below 10,000 feet. There is again no German Air Force resistance. And we wasted good fighter coverage here. And we're going to roll for navigation again. This time we roll 7. Again. I think that's what we rolled last time. Yep. So that means we're going to be off course again. Lovely. Out to Zone 4. We're over the med with an asterisk again. 50% cloud cover. No mission recall. Mechanical failure. There'll be none. We have no contrails. We're in formation. We're below 10,000 feet. We have light German resistance in this zone. Again, it's an asterisk, so according to the rules of the 509th, we will have 1 less fighter for each wave. So here we go. We roll a d10. 3. Light is 2. Not the target zone. We are flying in the low position. Takes us back up to 3. And that's it. 3 is 0. We'll put zeros all the way down, and hopefully we will roll a good number for our off our course here. And not going to happen. 50% cloud cover goes down to 7. Goes down to 6. Goes up to 7. Not enough. Off course. And we move into Zone 5. So we moved into Zone 5 poorly. So let me read through this again. Make sure I'm going to play this right. When you're okay, this will be added to our die roll when conducting our search in the target zone to find your shipping target. So that's going to hurt because we're there now. All right, we are over to Med and Tunisia. This is the target zone. We have 50% cloud cover, no mission recall. That's 100, not 0. So there is no mechanical failure. We have no contrails. We're still in formation. We're below 10,000 feet. We have heavy German resistance in this zone. And again, no, we're over land, so we do not get any help on this. We do have, however, good fighter escort. So let's see what we get here. 3, again, nice. 4 for designated target zone. 5, 6 for heavy resistance. We are in the low, so it goes up to 7. Still only going to be 1 wave. I can deal with that. 1 wave. That'll be Zone 5, Wave 1, outbound. And we will roll 33. 33 will be 3 109s. And they will be coming in from 6 o'clock high, 6 o'clock low, and vertical dive. All right, now I'm going to real quick sneak up to defensive fire allocation. Vertical dive. A. May not be driven off by fighter coverage, so it's just the 6 o'clocks we get to deal with. So we now have number of Germans driven off by fighter escort. We have good fighter escort here, and we get 6, which is 1. Nice. Worst roll possible. Wouldn't have it any other way. Eeny, meeny, money, mo, I guess. We're going to put the Italian 109s out. We're going to keep the 6 o'clock low in there and the vertical dive in there. Okay, 1 driven off. Got to do my paperwork here. Let's draw that over 1. 3 109s. 1 driven off. Put 2 undamaged right now. All right. Now, defensive fire allocation, 6 o'clock low. Ball turret and the tail guns. Tail gunner is an ace. Ball turret. Ah, stupid. I should have kept the 6 high in there. We could have got 1 more gun on him. Because the vertical dive is going to take my... Oh, no, I'm right. Oh, boy. Got lucky because I was not thinking that one through. Vertical dive, top turret, and we do have radio room. So let's mark off ammo. That'll be the ball, top, radio, tail. All right, fighter pilot skill, we'll go 6 o'clock first. 4 average, 4 average. Defensive fire, we'll start with the ball turret first. That is a jam. 1 gun jams. And we'll go on to our tail gun. I've been on a roll with them jams lately. Tail gunner, 7, maybe. He is an ace. 7, not power. So it's 7, 8, 9, 10 for ace. Yeah, we're hit. I'm getting confused with B29. It's very difficult to hit with that. So we did catch a hit on him. Hit damage against the 109 right here. We have twin guns against the 109, so we're going to add 1. Plus we're an ace, that's going to add in 2. And we're going to roll 4, 5, 6 FCA. I can't roll dice. I don't know why I play games. I cannot roll dice. 1 damaged. All right. That'll bring up my... Let's go radio room first. That's going to be a hit. And he's a single gun, so he doesn't get any modifiers. That's against 109. Vertical dive, I think it's a hit. That was an 11. Even if he subtracts a lot, that's... We're going to double check it anyway. Vertical dive, -3. Would have gone down to 8. That's still a hit. Yeah, still a hit. Okay, so we rolled, like, you're kidding me, right? A 12. We destroyed him. That's the radio room. All right. We'll take that undamaged one and put probable. All right. Now the Germans get to try to come at us. He's coming from 6 o'clock. He needs a 7 or more. He's subtracting 1. He misses. We roll for collision. There's no collision. We return him to deck, and we put 1 miss. That was not that horrible. 1 attack. No evasive action. So now we go to chart A2. We're going to roll. Man, that's going to be tough. We got 1, 2, 3 off targets to go for. So, well, let's see what we get. Oh, yes. 9. And I did not write down whether we are mostly obscured or... Oh, sorry about that. There comes that sneeze again. Actually, it doesn't say. Does not say. All right, so we're going to say we're +1. That gets us up to 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Get the idea, right? 12, 11, 10, empty C's. So rolling up to 3 times. So that was the first one. Second roll. Oh, even better. So we didn't find the ships, and we're going to follow them in, which means now we're going to have to face the flak. But I'm willing to face the flak. So let's do it. I don't like it, but come on, it's only heavy flak. So as you see, chances are very good that we're going to get slammed here. I may regret this decision. First flak. 4 is a hit. Second, 12 is a hit. 6 is a miss. Yeah. Triple A. Outbound. And we've got to multiply that yet. Lovely, lovely, lovely. 2 hits will turn into 10, which is 2. 8, which is 1. So that's not horrible. 3 hits. Yeah. So he says, do we roll snake eyes? Area affected. Oh, actually, we're through that already. Bombay. Nope, let's roll it. 9. Waste. A5. First hit. Waste. 7. Superficial. Second hit. 8. Right wing. A7. 4. Wing flap. 6. No effect. Call that superficial. Third hit. 5. Tail. 4. Tail turret. Oh, you kidding me. Tail gun's inoperable. Well, at least I have my gunner. That'll be How many Peckham points? Haven't had them happen too much. Gun hits. Twin mounts, 20. So we got our tail guns out, and our ball gunner is got one jammed. So we're really in good shape here. All right, but we made it through. So now we've found them. Let me read this again. Sorry about all this, going back to the rules. A3 to confirm the sighting. We Snake Eyes, large escorted convoy of 20 plus ships. So that means we've got to roll 3 times for ship flag too. But large escorted convoy 20 plus, we'll take that. First roll, miss. Second roll, 8, miss. Third roll, 4 misses, so the ship flak does nothing to us. We go to A4. I'm not quite sure how to play that one. These I like that. Large escorted convoy, so what do we go after here? Bear with me while I figure this out. Hmm. Bear with me, guys. I need to just... I'm getting caught up in a circle here. Okay, duh. That's why. Not having a good day. See if that gives me a better idea what the... You know what? Let me pause this while I screw this up. I'll be right back. All right. We're gonna stumble our way through this. So once we've found and identified targets, you may commence using your attack using table A7 and table A8. So let's roll 2d6, 9. That's a good start. We always bomb manually, goes to 6. Their moving goes to 3. Bombardier's okay. Still at 3. Down to 2. Boy. Yep, here we go. Off target. Alright, so when we're off target, And let's see here, A8, off target result right here. What I don't get is how many ships we're going to roll for. I know I can't hit 20 of them. This is what I was trying to figure out earlier. If you're on target, then the number of ships. Okay, there we go. Um, if your bomb run is on target, if you are off target, then just roll once on the off target. Okay, there we go. That's simple enough. Overcomplicating things. 9. Missed with no damage. That figures. We'll put a big old 0 up there. And that is not a successful mission at all. So, well, we come back out of it then. And, that was a waste. That was a waste. Okay, now we have to go through the medium flak. Okay, medium flak will be target. First roll. 8 is a miss. 9 is a miss. 7 is a miss. Good. Now we get to go for our heavy German resistance. Oh, I knew that was coming. 6, 7 for designated target. 8, 9 for heavy. 10 for low position. They're on to us now. That's what we get for going into the harbor. Zone 5, we get 3 wonderful waves. Now we're going to pay for my decision. All right. First wave. 9, or 63 rather. 5 C2O2s. Okay, wonderful. And typing poorly again. 9 level. 10:30 level. 12 o'clock level. 1:30 level. And 6 o'clock high. Now, we do have good fighters, so we will roll for that and hope we get better than an 8. 9. 2 and 1. We'll take that. That's better. Means 2 of these guys will go away. I think we'll get rid of 12 o'clock level and 1:30 level. So we'll put 9 level. Oh, no, shit. I'm almost forgetting. No, he's still easier to hit, though, and we do have the top turret we can throw there. 10:30 level. And 6 o'clock high. All right, fighter defensive allocation. 9 o'clock level. Top turret, ball turret, left waist. And the top turret, I know I'm going to move him back there, so I'm just going to do that right now. That's 6 o'clock high. 6 o'clock high is going to be the top turret in the radio room. And the tail gunner is not available. So, and the 1030 level. Top turret, left cheek, chin turret. We don't have a chin turret, so left cheek and top turret's the only ones we can get with him. So we'll just leave that like that. German fighter pilot skill. 9 o'clock is a green. 1030 is, of course he is. The guy only have one gun on. Ace and tail will be an ace also. Let's fire them up, guys. 5 MC202s. Oh, and we got 2 that were driven off. Goes down to 3 undamaged. And both done, or we have not gone to a different zone yet, so he still has 1 gun jammed. We'll do him first. 11, that's going to be a hit. Against a 109, he only has that 1 gun, so he's not going to get any modifiers. And he gets a 7, which is an FBOA. And we're going to put, no, we'll wait until after the left waist fires. Left waist is going to fire 9. That's going to be a hit. And he again has no modifiers. It's going to be a 6. It's an FCA, and that destroys him. So we can give that kill to, actually we'll give it to the left waist. His last one firing. So KIA. All right, now the ace against the left cheek. -1. 10, wow. I'm doing them as 109s. I'm pretty sure that's okay, but I better double check it. See 202s. 7. Yeah, it still would have been the same. And for him, 9. Wow, look at that. Barely destroyed him, too. Holy crap, my left cheek. 202, KIA, and the ace, no doubt. No less. The nose cheek is Bombardier takes the nose, Nav takes the cheeks. It goes down to 1, and that goes up to 2. Now, last but not least, is 6 o'clock ace. We'll let the radio have a crack at him again, too. Combat tables. 8, 7, 8, 9. That's going to be a hit. Against a 202, that's a single guns, no modifications. 6, it's going to be an FCA, so at the least he's going to be damaged. That's my radio room. Now my top turret. Oops. 6, 7, 8, 7, power turret. Let's do this by the book here. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8 will be a hit. So we're really nailing them then. So 202 again, and he has, doesn't matter, doesn't say anything about twin guns. So we just roll straight up 5. It's another FCA. Not enough to destroy him, but it's going to put a good modifier on him. That was top turret, left cheek, left waist. All right, and now his turn to come in and get us. Let's put 1 damage down here too. One dam. Gotta keep my paperwork up. I get out of whack if I don't. All right, now they get to come at us. And he is an ace, -2, so he's going to be -1. Coming from 6 o'clock, he needs a 7 or more, 8, 7, and he got us by the skin of his teeth. 8, 7, 6, 7, and that's all we needed. All right, so, and he can continue his attack too. Coming from 6 o'clock, shell hits will be 2. MC202. I'll use the ME109 for that one. Right here, 2 hits. 1 is going to be supplemental, and 6 will be 2, so 3 hits then. And we'll go super. Second hit will be um, 6 o'clock, and he was coming in from high. 4, radio room. 6, radio operator. Oops, that's single roll. 3, that'll be a light wound, I believe. Boy, I'm having trouble thinking today. 517. 3, light wound. Radio. Light wound. And I believe that's 5. Third hit. 6 o'clock high. 3, pilot compartment. Come on, guys. All right. 8, top turret. 1, guns up, inoperable. Yeah, we're getting nailed here. Top turret, top turret, top turret. I know it's in here. Guns inoperable. There we go. That's another 20. Well, at least it's not my gunners. But they're out now too. That's his 3 hits. Check for a collision. No collision. He'll come back to rejoin us. Silly him. 1 will be 12 o'clock. And 6 will be high. All right, allocation. Top turret out. Nose gun. Nose gun's the only one. All right. And we will fire at him. Nose gun, 7. At an ace is 6. Miss. And he's going to fire at us. And he's coming from 12 o'clock and he's a 9 or more, -2. +1, -1. He's going to miss. No collision. That'll return him to deck. And that is it. One miss. So we actually got 2 attacks on that one. And we still have many more to go. And we're out 2 guns now. So next. 24. I could really use one of those 6 rolls. 2 109s. That's not horrible. Especially since one of them's going to disappear. 2 109s. 6 high. It's going to have to be him. And a vertical dive. So the 6 high is going to be driven off. That'll be 2 driven off, 1 undamaged. Okay, so we'll put a 109 at vertical dive. Okay. Defensive fire, vertical dive, top turret in the radio room. What we got now is radio room. Yep, it's looking nice. Alright, German fighter pilot skill. Oh, of course, be an ace. Defensive fire, vertical dive is a -3. Nowhere's even close. He will attack us. Needs 9 or more, adding 1. 6, 7. He's going to miss us. No collision. See you later. All right, that brings up 1 more wave. 23. 109 vertical climb and a 110 at 12 level. So we'll get rid of the 110. Vertical climb and BF 110 at 12 o'clock level. And 1 driven off. We'll put 1 more undamaged. And that puts him in at vertical climb. Defensive fire allocation, ball turret. 1 gun only. Pilot skill, green. That'll help. Bomber fire, 5. 6 for being green. 7, 8, 9 for climbing. So we're going to hit him. 109, but we don't get the benefits because we only have that 1 gun. So we just, oh shit. We knock him the hell out of the sky, and the ball gunner gets another kill. So 109, KIA, BG. Forget what I said about not being able to roll dice. What am I talking about anyway? We'll take 1 undamaged, put that in probable. That's 4 kills. And that's it. Back to 4. In zone 4, we're over to Med and Algeria. We're going to roll for mechanical failure. We get none. We're in formation. We have medium resistance in this zone. So we're going to roll a d6. 5, 6, 7. One wave. And we have good fighter coverage here. So zone 4. Wave 1 inbound will be. It'd be nice to get one of them 6 numbers. Merry Christmas to me. Nope. 13. 3 109s. And that'll be 12. Oh, this is medium. This is medium. As you were, Greg. 23, or 13 rather. 1G50, not so scary. And he's coming in at 12 level, and with our good fighter coverage, he will be chased off. All right, let's do that right now. Number of German driven off, good cover. Yes, good cover. Oh, 3 and a 2. See how we get them good rolls when we don't need them. So we'll put the G50 in there as driven off. And that was the only wave. No attacks, no evasive action, no flak. We don't have to worry about navigation anymore. Zone 3, we're over Algeria, 100% clouds, no mission recall, mechanical failure, 0-6. That's close, but I don't think it is. I think it's only in target for today. We've got to worry about that. But let's get it in here to make sure. 0-6, mission continues. Just making me nervous, that's all. Information. We have light German resistance in this zone. We roll 5, 4, 5. We won. Zone 3, wave 1 inbound will be on the light charts. 16, there it is. 5, no attacks. Of course, for the light one. All right, we'll take what we can get. No fighters. No attacks. No evasive action. No flak. Move to zone 2. Oh, I could have been trying to unjam my ball gunner too, but at this point it's not going to matter. We got no German resistance in this zone. So mechanical failure, 74, nothing happening. Again, we're over to Med and, no, we're actually over Algeria. We're in formation. We're below 10,000 feet, no German resistance, so we put zeros all the way down. And we will land. Quick before I sneeze. 6. I think that's going to be fine because we don't have much damage relatively speaking. Still at 6. We have poor weather, goes down to 5. Pilot's on his 12th, actually 13th, goes up to 6. Oh, never mind. 8th Air Force, oh yeah, 15th. We're flying for the 15th, I think. So, yeah, we're landed safely, and we're gonna head off for debriefing. Hanging our heads again because we did not do very well against ships, but there we have it. Thanks for joining me. You all have a great night, and we'll see you next time.